Here's how to use SOHCAHTOA to solve for your hypotenuse of your right-angled triangle. So in this question here, we have 50 degrees as our angle. We know that this side length is 10 meters and this is x that we're trying to solve for. So our step one is to label our triangle. So the hypotenuse is always the longest side opposite the right angle, and we label that h. You then want to decide whether this 10 meters, is it opposite this 50 degrees or is it adjacent to it? If it was opposite, it would be over here, so that means it has to be our adjacent side because it's right beside it. We don't have any information about our opposite side, so we just ignore that for now. Now that we've labelled our triangle, we want to use SOHCAHTOA to decide whether we're using sine, cos or tan. So that means that we're looking for the one that has an A and a H in it, and that gives us this middle part here, our CAH. So now that we've decided we're going to be using cos, you want to write down your equation that cos of an angle, which we call theta, is equal to your adjacent over your hypotenuse. Your next step is just to substitute in the values we know about. We know our angle theta is 50 degrees. We know that our adjacent side is 10, and then we're trying to find our hypotenuse, which we call x. So we've now got cos of 50 is equal to our 10 over x. Our next step is that we want to get x on its own. Currently, we've got a 10 divided by x on the right-hand side, and so to undo a division of x, we're going to have to multiply both sides by x, and we bring it up to the other side. So we've got x times cos of 50, and that is equal to our 10. And then we still want x on its own. It's currently getting multiplied by cos of 50, so we're going to have to divide both sides by cos 50. And that leaves us just with our x here, which we wanted, and we've got 10 divided by cos of 50 degrees. Your last step is that you want to pop that into your calculator and see which value ends up popping out. So we end up doing our 10 divided by cos 50, and that gives us 15.557, which if we wanted to round to one decimal place is 15.6. So your last step is to write down that this is 15.6, and our units are given in the question. It's going to be in meters.